right, party time. Here we go, here we go. Woo! Trichoderma. Always a pleasure. Hey, Stachybotrys. Glad you could make it. Hey, Cladosporium. I haven't seen you in years. He still got it, guys. He still got it. All right.
You wouldn't invite mold to your party, so don't let it grow in your house.
That's it. Party's over. Thankfully, there's an affordable way to test for mold in your home with the Immunolytics DIY Home Test Kit to ensure that your unwanted guests are gone for good.
Hey, where'd everybody go? Some people just don't know how to party.
Stop mold dead in its tracks with Immunolytics. Visit Immunolytics.com to order your DIY mold test kit.